So you probably noticed Solana popping off a bit recently, and not just the main token Sol, but basically everything launching on Solana blockchain these days is going crazy, especially the meme coins. So if you're wondering how to start stacking Sol or get Solana to buy meme coins, then don't worry, because I'm going to walk you through how to get some initial exposure to Solana and everything that is happening really over there right now on the Solana ecosystem. But in case you're not sure why exactly everyone and their mom seems to be aping into Solana all of a sudden, let's ask ourselves an important question. What the hell is so special about Solana anyway? Why even buy Solana? Well, Solana is a layer one blockchain designed for launching products like DEX protocols and NFT projects, meaning that it's competing directly with the big daddy Ethereum. But since 2023, Sol has been outperforming Ethereum in terms of not just price gains, but more recently, we're seeing it when it comes to trading volumes on chain and users on chain and all that kind of stuff. So it's time to pay attention to Solana. Now, as for why this might be, well, of course, Solana is generally lauded for having a superior user experience, way cheaper transaction costs, although layer twos on Ethereum kind of have fixed that sort of problem for the Ethereum ecosystem, but I digress. And overall, Solana is just fast as hell. It's very speedy. And because of all this, along maybe with the general culture of meme coin degeneracy on Solana, it's become the perfect home for better or worse for all these crazy, crazy meme coin launches, and multiple meme coins have hit billion-dollar valuations, sometimes in days. At a time when a lot of people seem to be getting deeply into gambling on memes, Solana is very quickly becoming the preferred place to do that. The point is, though, that to play in the Solana meme casino or to do anything at all on Solana, you got to have some damn Sol, don't you? So this requirement drives demand and, of course, pushes up the token price for the main Sol asset, which brings more attention overall to Solana, which brings in more users. And so even if you're not planning on buying into any of the meme coins yourself, it's still, Solana is going to benefit from all this stuff. So maybe you want to add Solana to your portfolio. So let's look at a very quick and easy way to do exactly that by using the Bitget exchange. You'll find a link down below to sign up for Bitget, where you can get up to a $30,000 trading deposit bonus, as well as, of course, being able to buy Solana on Bitget. So first of all, we have to go obviously sign up to the Bitget exchange, which is very easy to do. Simply go click on the link down below and then click on register. Now you're going to need to enter all of your details and click create account. But to actually trade, you're going to need to complete a KYC process, which means know your customer, basically meaning to verify your identity, to say who you are so that they know who they're selling Solana to. So make sure you've got a photo ID ready, hover over your profile icon, click identity verification, and then you'll be prompted to send photos of your ID and to let Bitget scan your face. Then there's a bit of a short wait. And if everything works as it should, then guess what? You will now have a verified account, meaning that you can swap some fiat over to some Solana. Nice. So now let's buy some Solana on Bitget. So back on the Bitget dashboard, the quickest way to get Sol is to, once again, click on identity verification and then click on I don't own any crypto, quick buy. Select whichever fiat currency you have in your bank account. And after that, you can scroll through the various coins on offer. And in this case, we're looking for Sol. When you've entered how much you want to spend and clicked the Buy Sol button, you can then add a card. And that's just like making any other online purchase, except you're buying crypto coins. And from there, when the transaction has gone through, your Bitget wallet will be credited with your freshly bought Solana tokens. Now, when you're buying on Bitget for the first time, do be aware that you'll need to make sure you have both a phone number and an email address bound to your account. But if you haven't done that, you will be prompted to do it anyway during your purchasing process. So just go get it done. This is, of course, good for your security. And on that note, you may also want to add, or highly recommended, not want to, highly recommended, definitely recommend doing this. You should probably do it, a Google Authenticator app, which can be done by clicking on the security section back on the dashboard, and then you'll have a much stronger level of security. Now, with all that done, what comes next? What can you actually do with your Solana coins now that you have them? So, how to use your Solana. So, if you're just buying SOL in expectation of future price gains, which in a bull market is a pretty decent reason to buy Solana or any other coins here on Bitget, then you can just hodl your bag until the time comes to, well, take profits and say goodbye, Solana bags. Remembering that actually pushing the button on taking profits can be a challenge in of itself, but nobody ever went broke taking profits. In fact, you might want to set some price targets now and remove profits in stages in the event of another positive run for the asset. Keeping in mind, of course, there's always downside risk. You can keep your Solana stack, of course, on Bitget, which makes it easy to trade or to cash out. But if you want more security, because Bitget could get hacked and you could lose all your money, and you want to prefer to take care of your coins yourself rather than relying on some third party, then you might actually want to choose to transfer your coins from Bitget to a hardware wallet like the Ledger wallet. It's probably one of the most popular choices in the market right now. You'll also find a link in the description where you can grab yourself a Ledger wallet if you would like to get one and take your asset security more seriously. That being said, though, one of the most interesting things about Solana is its growing ecosystem. Solana NFTs had some very strong runs in the last cycle. Decentralized finance on Solana is a big part of the landscape these days. And as mentioned, meme coins are very center stage right now. Absolute mania going on, in fact, for Solana based meme coins because they're so cheap to ape into. So if you are planning on exploring the Solana ecosystem and all that it has to offer, trading your Solana for native tokens, for meme coins, and just generally interacting with the Solana environment, then you're going to need to transfer your SOL over to a Solana hot wallet. Now, with Phantom being the go-to option, this is a browser-based wallet. You can also download it on your mobile. So it just sits up in your browser bar and you can connect to protocols that you visit, a lot like using MetaMask on Ethereum, but a little less clunky to use, to be honest. Phantom Wallet's pretty nice. And of course, you can back up your Phantom Wallet with your Ledger hardware wallet, which adds a nice extra layer of security. But did you know that Solana can also provide you with passive income? Stick around to find out how to get extra earnings from your tokens. That's by Solana staking. That's a big positive about holding SOL, is that you can stake it to earn even more SOL, and you can actually do that right there on Bitget. All you need to do is to click on staking under the Earn tab and then look for Solana. And we can see now that it's offering 7 to 13% APY, and it's currently listed as one of their hot options, which sounds pretty good, right? Clicking on stake, we enter an amount, tick the boxes, check the details on the right where we can see the staking period and the payout time, and then click confirm if it's all good. Keeping in mind, of course, that the standard processing time for SOL redemptions is 4 days. Now, you can also stake your Solana via the Phantom wallet, which, of course, is a safer on-chain option. But if you're looking for convenience, Bitget might help you out there. It's very convenient to stake from the Phantom wallet, by the way, and we're going to talk about that more in detail when we actually do our Phantom wallet review video, so keep an eye out for that. For now, though, you should be able to get some SOL in your portfolio without any real difficulties. And if you like, of course, you can stake it on Bitget or in your Phantom wallet for passive earnings, or just withdraw that Solana and go ape into some meme coins. And, well, good luck, of course, if you're doing that, because it's high risk, but hey, high risk, high reward, right? Thanks for watching.